still, baby.
I need so much.
This down. Are you ready to ride?
Oh yeah.
You ready to ride? Here's a handy dandy remote. Step on up.
It's so fast.
Keep all hands and feet inside the vehicle. Thank you. I'm gonna raise it back up. Just fold it back up. All right.
Wait, now I don't trust you.
Ta-da! Did you have fun?
So much fun.
Fun has ended. It's time for work.
Time for this thing to leave too.
Yeah, it is time for this thing to leave. Turns us to the next point. What do we do in this episode? We don't even know at this point, huh?
I have no idea.
We're gonna get the heater out.
Going with the flow.
We're gonna get the heater out.
We're gonna get the heater out. Obviously.
And
So we're going with the flow.
yeah, pretty much other than that, we're going with the flow. We might try to rip up the subfloor. I don't know how many times we've said this, but we're gonna try, right?
Yep.
Woohoo! All right, we got more stuff to clean up. Don't we? Yes, we do. Not much, but annoying stuff to clean up, so we'll clean up.
The itchy stuff, yay.
You guys are looking a little crooked there. Alrighty, so in order to take out that heater that's on that side, we're gonna have to climb. We're gonna grab these two clamps. We're gonna grab these clamps, come up under here. We're gonna pull these two guys out. So we're gonna try to pinch them off on each side, and then we're gonna take these guys off, and then hopefully it doesn't pour all over my face and all over the street. So we're gonna try our best. For sure. Now you guys have a little general idea of what we've been dealing with. That's what we're looking at. I'm gonna try to get these clamps off, try to loop these together. Alrighty. Sorry guys, it's a little bright. Good neck workout. Oh man, this is hard. Are you up there still? Okay. Alright, we're good. Okay, this is gonna be a pain. Oh, it's already starting. Oh my God, this is... Whew. All right, baby, I'm gonna pull this off. Yeah, we're good. You could whenever. It looks like it's stuck still, so we might have to wedge it. Oh. All right, it's time to get this bad boy out so we can get this subfloor changed out. So that means I gotta get back under the bus and cut her up.
Let's go check on Bobby. How's it going?
Well, so much for the clamps, because that did nothing. I'm gonna wash my hands, but you can show them what we got now. Finally getting the heater out. It's all disconnected underneath. Should have been a lot easier than it was, but it was all glued and I had a razor blade and stuff was falling in my face. I got antifreeze everywhere. You guys saw some of that. Anyways, we're gonna take this bad boy out and maybe get out this panel. Who knows? Pretty much at that point until we get the lift out.
All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what we've been working on for a little bit now. All right, so we've been tackling this here. This is where our heater was connected and the coolant was running through. So we had to connect these and then we took the heater out and it was kind of being a little bit of a pain, but it's all accomplished now. Looks good, not leaking, and we got the heater out. I'd say pretty successful. Only a few minor spills. And then if you look, this is where the heater was connected, and then Bobby was right below here, connecting the coolant line so that it wouldn't leak. And then now we have the heater over there. Stay tuned.
Now I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna raise up all of these bolts right here. I'm gonna at least get them started. And then I'm gonna come back with the drill once they're raised because they're pretty rusty, so they're pretty fragile. I'm gonna come back with the drill once I'm done with that and they'll be ready to go. We got the drill. Alrighty guys, that's it for this part of the episode. We're gonna continue it the next day we work on it. We'll catch you on that day. So we'll see you in probably 5 seconds or so.
See you next time.